Hello, people. Today is the first part of how to level up your Animal Jam Play Wild account quickly in the year 2020. One way to level up your Animal Jam quickly, I don't know how that popped up, is to go around, click on these little orange pods. They'll give you some XP. I have already found them all. I'll make a separate on where they're all located. Buying a clothing item from Jammart Clothing, or really anywhere, or you can buy a den item from the Jammart Furniture, or the really anywhere as well, and that will give you XP for every item that you buy. If you wear a complete set, then you will get 15 XP. I think it has to be the first time that you wear it though. You can't just like take this off and then put it on. And then if you buy a gem item from a den, like a den gem item for the little gem things, you get what I mean. You get 15 XP. So yeah, that's the video. I'll see you for part 2.